Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be making our eggless mayonnaise. But before we start making this one guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for my future videos. So here are the ingredients for our eggless mayonnaise. We have here around 15 calamansi. We have here around 370 ml of evaporated milk. So same as measurement of this oil, 370 ml as well. It's like around 1 1/2 cups of oil. We have salt. We have our optional, this is just optional guys, our pickle relish. Okay, let's put in the milk first. Next, we have our oil. Just around 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Let's blend. Let's put in our calamansi juice. Let's blend again. Let's check guys. Look at that.
Wow.
Okay, we're gonna transfer this. Okay, so this is our finished product, but before that guys, let's add in our pickle relish. Just around 1 teaspoon of pickle relish, and we just have to mix. is already our finished product of our eggless mayonnaise. This is another quick, simple, and cost-efficient recipe only here at Barbz Kitchen. But before we go, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so you will be updated with my future videos. This has been Barbz Kitchen. See you again in our next sumptuous recipes. Bye!